They say it is both a blessing and a curse to feel everything so very deeply. If you are a nomad at heart like me, you will relate to this whenever you are at the fag end of your journey. I woke up with a feeling of mixed emotions. I was looking forward to exploring Dzukou Valley with feverish excitement. But at the same time, I could not let go of the fact that it was the last day of my Manipur trip.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I am in Imphal right now. I was in Ukrul yesterday and I wanted to do this place called Dzukou Valley, but it takes like 3-4 days, which I did not have right now. But then yesterday somebody told me that, you know, if I can make it to Imphal late night, I can actually start from Imphal. I will not be able to go to the Dzukou Valley, but then I can go to the top and I can fly my drone from there. So I came here late night yesterday at around 3 o'clock, and today we are all prepared and I'm leaving for Dzukou Valley.
Good boys, have a safe journey.
I was physically drained out as I had not slept in last 3 days. But the beauty of Manipur kept me going. The views around me were so refreshing that I never felt the need to slow down. I wanted to use every minute I had to explore all the nooks and corners I could possibly touch.
So we are just 10 kilometers away from this spot. It's almost like an half an hour drive from here. We have taken a stop over this place called as Mao, which is border of Nagaland and Manipur. We'll have a lunch over here and then we'll start again for Dzukou Valley. It's been pretty good. The weather is very nice and there's some challenges with the roads, but yeah, it's been pretty good so far. So I'll keep you posted.
After a quick lunch break, we continued our journey towards Dzukou Valley.
So we have just reached the checkpoint of Dzukou Valley. It should take us like almost half an hour to reach the top, and I'll fly my drone from there and I'll keep you all posted.
Roads after the checkpost were very challenging, but the scenery around me took my breath away.
So we are actually stuck at this point, not able to cross it because it's fucked up. But look at the views around, man. It's all cloudy. And this is the 5th try of here. Let's see if he makes it this time.
We are almost halfway there and the trek is not very easy, like it's very steep, and but the good part is like we are actually surrounded by clouds. Like the weather is very nice and this place is very nice. I'm actually panting quite a lot because I'm actually doing this trek with Ronnie in my hand. which is very heavy. But yeah, it's a good experience as of now. You can actually see right behind me there are clouds everywhere, and yeah, it feels pretty good. We should get going now because I think it will get dark in some time, and I want to reach the top before it gets dark. So yeah, we'll start from here and I'll keep you all posted.
After a steep hike of about 45 minutes, we reached the pinnacle, from where what I witnessed was absolutely unreal. A belt of mountains stretching out for as far as the eye could see, all covered in a flawless green carpet. As the sun was setting down, we were running out of time, and by this point of time I was really worried about the sunlight, so we started rushing towards the end point.
Where is the point?
Thank you.
So we have finally made it to the top, and it's actually not like a 1 hour trek which we were being told of. It's actually like a 3 hour trek. Like for 40 minutes you just have to climb the stairs, and after that it's relatively flat bed and you have to walk for like under 2 hours to reach this spot. This is the spot from where the Dzukou Valley starts. Like there's a Dzukou Valley right behind me. The entire area is Dzukou Valley and it feels pretty good. And we were literally running on the way because the light is going off and I have to fly my drone. It's still very less lit. Let's hope it'll be good. So I'll fly my drone and I'll show you the aerial perspective of this place.
I have never seen a valley this beautiful ever in my life. Truth be told, this was beyond beautiful. This was pure magic. I could not have asked for a better end to my Manipur trip. I was taking back a bouquet of memories that I will hold close to my heart forever. Life is a series of baby steps to reach your goals. Manipur was one of mine, and I hope it can push you to take one of yours. My Manipur journey has been wonderful. All I have got to say is, Manipur is a land of peace-loving, warm and welcoming people. It is perfectly safe to travel. I have tried to share the highlights of my journey through my videos, but there is nothing better than experiencing Manipur yourself and taking in the vibe of that place. The only impossible journey is the one you never began. It is for you to change one day to day one of your travel diaries. As per me, I boarded a flight next day to Guwahati, from where I went to Shillong because I had plans of exploring Meghalaya next. Stay tuned for Meghalaya.
I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I had to go.